Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. Today's topic, we're going to talk about transportation coverage. My name is Carly Rahm. I am the marketing representative for Griffin Underwriting Services. Quick little overview of our agenda. I'll go over some history about Griffin Underwriting Services, otherwise known as GUS. We're going to talk about commercial auto, trucking, cargo, public auto, garage, and then some supporting lines. As with each tutorial, I'll give a list of contacts should you have any questions or need further assistance at a later time. So Griffin Underwriting was founded in 1928. We still are owned and operated by the Griffin family. We were recognized as a powerful resource and provider for hard-to-place insurance business and a bunch of different lines of business. We were one of the first surplus lines brokers in our region to be granted binding authority by Lloyd's of London. We have just over 100 employees throughout 3 different offices offering solutions for personal lines, commercial lines, transportation, as well as brokerage. We are licensed in all 50 states, including the District of Columbia, and year to date, we've written over $95 million in premium. So when we're talking about commercial auto, think of it public autos, contractor autos, delivery vehicles, catering, church buses or vans, tow trucks, moving vans, daycare vans, and more. This is just kind of a short list of what we see quite a bit of. When we're talking about coverage for commercial autos, we can offer coverage for auto liability, physical damage, uninsured motorists, on hook, so think legal liability for towed autos, motor truck cargo, personal injury protection, otherwise known as PIP, medical payments, as well as excess auto liability. To get a quote, we need the application completed. We also need a court applications. There may be company-specific applications depending on the specific carrier. We do have auto applications specific to our office. We need a loss history and we need driver information. If you don't know all of what is needed, by all means reach out to us. We're absolutely happy to help. When we're talking about trucking for hire, this refers to the hauling cargo of others, either interstate or intrastate. Trucks can range in size from tractor size all the way down to small pickups. The duration can be short, intermediate, or long haul for hire. When we're talking about trucking not for hire, this refers to hauling goods that you yourself own. When we're talking about coverage for trucking, there's liability, non-trucking liability, physical damage, cargo coverage, as well as trucking general liability. As far as quoting for trucking policies, we do need the commercial auto quoted sheet. It's a single page for ease of use. We do need the appropriate court applications, possibly a company application, auto application you have for your office, loss information, all driver information, radius of operations, and then the commercial driver's license information. Again, if you're unsure about what all is needed to provide, reach out to us. We're absolutely happy to help. Switching gears to cargo coverage. So cargo is defined as commodities handled either by a trucker for hire or by a trucker hauling his or her own goods. We do offer a broad form cargo appetite and can write most classes for cargo businesses. Some things that we are unable to write: aircraft and airport parts, antique autos, repossessed goods, tobacco finished products, race cars, pianos, or horses. When we're talking about cargo coverage, there is named perils, refrigeration breakdown, broad form perils, debris removal, extended towing, and loading and unloading of goods. When we're quoting, we need that cargo application or appropriate company applications. We also need the loss history and driver history. We need the number of power units and then the percentage of types of cargo that's being hauled. When we're talking about public auto, these are non-emergency medical transportation vehicles, including a wheelchair lift. These can also include shuttles, limos, hotel courtesy shuttles, sightseeing vans or buses, public autos for hire that are not metered, special service agency autos, church buses, and many more. We offer coverage for liability, physical damage, uninsured motorists, personal injury protection, as well as medical pay. To quote for public auto, we need the commercial auto quote sheet, we need the Accord applications, company applications. There could be a need for supplemental applications, loss information, driver experience, the radius of operations, and if the carrier is requiring, we will need the filings. All right, garage coverage. This can be for either dealers or service centers like auto repair, mobile mechanics, valet parking, upholstery shops, etc. We can offer coverage for garage liability, garage keeper's legal liability, dealer's physical damage, and then again med pay and or PIP. We do need the garage quote sheet completed. We do need the appropriate supplemental applications. So for instance, if we're quoting for a valet service, we need that valet parking supplemental application. We need a copy of the loss information and the employee and driver information as well. A couple of supporting line coverages that we commonly see, commercial property, general liability, and excess or umbrella coverage. We can offer coverages for the building and the contents, the trucker's general liability or premises liability, excess auto liability, and then umbrella coverage that would cover the GL, the AL, the stopgap, and garage liability. For these other coverages, we will need the appropriate Accord applications as well as loss history, an accurate number of employees, accurate building and content values, and then for excess and umbrella, we do need the primary limits as well as primary premiums. Again, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. For those Allstate agents, please email us at csr@gogos.com, or you can give us a call, 844-859-1766. For those non-Allstate or independent agents, info@gogos.com, or you can call us at 800-562-8095. Again, my name is Carly. I'm the marketing rep for Griffin Underwriting. I'm also here to help. We just want to say thank you so much for joining us. We appreciate working with you, and we look forward to working with you more in the future. Have a wonderful day.